On 28 June 2021, a group of pensioners of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, known as the MeECL Pensioners Association, had met the Chief Managing Director of the corporation to discuss and also demand from him the release of their pending pension amount. It may be reminded that the dharna staged by the MeECL Pensioners Association due to non-receipt of pension of all service and family pensioners had been called off today after talks with the CMD. Speaking to the media, the president of the association, Marius Kharkongor, informed that the meeting with the CMD of the MeECL had assured them of the payment of their dues for the months of April and May 2021 that would be released during the coming week. Kharkongor, however, informed that should the CMD go back on his word, the association would again have to resort to fresh agitational programs that would be decided as and when required.
Has requested us to withdraw this dharna today. He called to the General Secretary last night, requesting him to withdraw the dharna. But after discussion over food, we said we cannot just withdraw like that. We will want to meet CMDs, sir, before we withdraw. We want to understand on what basis we will withdraw this dharna. So after the meeting we had just now, he has given his word that pension for the month of April and May this year will be cleared within this week. So we are confident and we took his word that whatever he says, we respect him and we believe in him, so that our crisis will be resolved at the earliest. But we have categorically told him that if nothing happens within this week, then our agitation will resume again. We will have to reschedule our agitation.